and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this bias midi skirt using my pattern called Chloe. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. As I already made two skirts in satin, I wanted to show you how this pattern will look like in other fabric. So for this skirt I'm using a leftover crepe fabric. To make this skirt you'll need cutout pieces, scissors and some elastic. First, place one piece of the skirt on top of the other, pin the sides together, sew and overlock the edge. Then overlock the waist. Next, we need to cut the elastic. Take a measuring tape and measure your waist. Mine is 71 centimeters. Then take an elastic and measure your waist and add 2 centimeters for seam allowance. Mine elastic will measure 73 centimeters in total. Overlap the elastic ends by 1 centimeter and make a stitch using a zigzag stitch. Then attach the elastic to the skirt, placing it over the fabric approximately 1 centimeter away from the edge. Next, sew the waistband close to the edge while stretching the elastic to match the skirt. Make a small back tack stitch by joining waistband and seam allowance to prevent waistband from moving. As I'm using a contrast elastic, I decided to go ahead and stitch the waistband even closer to the edge. Moving on, overlook the hem. Then, fold and pin the hem by 1 centimeter. I'm going to use a color matching thread to top stitch my hem. As the last step, press the hem. And that's all! A very simple way to make a gorgeous bias skirt. Thanks for watching!